CSS stands for Cascading Stylesheet, is the stylesheet language that describes the presentation of web page, whereas HTML forms the structure of web page. CSS is what developer use to style HTML with colors, background, font size, layout, and much more. CSS is one of the core technologies for designing and building websites and applications. This is an example students you can easily understand what CSS is. HTML is a content layer which contains head and body. CSS is a presentation layer. It's make HTML looks pretty. CSS has its own syntax or set of formatting rules to use. Thankfully it's pretty minimal, so it's not too difficult to learn. The most basic description of the syntax is that it includes a selector and a declaration block. The selector points to the element you want to style, and in this case it's a HTML paragraph element represented by P, and the declaration block which is enclosed in the curly braces and can contain at least one or more declaration. These declarations are simply the formatting instruction. Here we have three declaration rules. One telling the browser which font to use, another one telling which color to use, and finally which font size to use. The rules themselves are made up of two parts, the property and the value. These are separated by colons, and the semicolon tells the browser to stop evaluating and move on to the next rule.